Hi guys, welcome to the Stuff channel. Today we are unboxing one of the most expensive laptops that we've ever unboxed. Today we're looking at the new Asus Zephyrus Duo 15, which is the company's brand new bulky gaming laptop. This has got very typical ROG Republic of Gamers branding with the logo up top. The box is smaller than I expected for a machine this size, but it's relatively heavy. You can feel there's a lot of tech built into this box. Along with this box, we have the external box, which probably includes the charger box. You're gonna need a big charger for this boy. So this is one of the most expensive laptops that we have unboxed in recent years. It costs 90,000 Rand if you buy it from Eve Tech right now. But let's see if it's worth 90k. Very cool method of boxing something. Asus always has the little lift mechanism. It lifts the laptop up to display it to you because you just paid a lot of money for this. You want it to look good. This is a big machine, but if you know the previous Zephyrus, it was the ZenBook Pro Duo. That was their first dual display laptop. Was much bulkier, much heavier than this one is. There it is. The display folds up, the second display, whereas the previous model had a flat display up top. Cool RGB keyboard. And there it is, there's a secondary display lit up. Interesting to see that Asus opted for a foldable second display, but it makes sense as displays tend to get very hot. With the previous model, we realized that heats up a lot of critical resources like the GPU, and the laptop was prone to overheat. So this is a smart method to keep the internals much cooler, to include more airflow. Let's see what else is in the box. In the secondary box, let's see. A very small power brick. This is probably your traveling power brick that you can keep in your bag or your backpack. Charges with USB-C. That's a neat addition. Along with that, you're obviously going to need a lot of power when you're working or gaming from home. So here we've got the power brick. The kettle cord. And nothing else. So it's very nice to see laptop companies, hardware companies include two chargers. As you can see, you can choose between the hardcore power hungry mode or light. I'm just traveling or just going somewhere quickly to charge with the USB-C. This is also seems like a very, very long cable, which is very, very nice.